In Somaliland, it is first time in history Russian leaders come in Somaliland. It's the time Somaliland government to create diplomatic relationship in Russia. This will facilitate Somaliland to build new friend in the world. Somaliland has looking for its recognition from international community for 26 years. However, no one still recognized. If Somaliland make diplomatic relationship into Russia, the international communities will look deeply in Somaliland and they will support in different sectors. As Somaliland people, we are willing to welcome this diplomatic relationship in Russia. First Russian diplomat sets foot in Somaliland for over 38 years. Somaliland. The foreign minister met with the deputy consular of Russia Yuri Kurchakov, who is based in Djibouti. This was the first time a Russian diplomat set foot in Somaliland for over 38 years. The foreign minister explained the struggle Somaliland faced, and with virtually no help, Somaliland has earned the label of emerging democracy. Somaliland is a remarkable success story that cannot be denied while its neighbor Somalia is unstable. Foreign Minister said the Republic of Somaliland should get the international recognition it deserves, not only because it is right, but because it is in the best interests of the world for the sake of stability and peace in the region.